A child can teach an adult three things: to be happy for no reason, to always be busy with something, and to know how to demand with all his might that which he desires. ये तीन चीजें जो हम एक बच्चे से सीख सकते हैं. पहली बात ये, हाउ टू बी हैप्पी. आप बच्चे को देखेंगे वो हमेशा खुश रहेगा. वो अपने फीडर से खेल रहा है, वो खुश रहेगा. कोई उसके पास आ जाएगा, वो हंसने लग जाएगा. कोई उसके साथ उसको मुंह चिढ़ाएंगे, वो तब भी खुश हो जाएगा. उसके पास कोई नहीं है, वो फिर भी खुश हो जाएगा. एंड व्हेन ही हैज नथिंग टू डू बट ही इज सिंपली स्टेयरिंग इनटू द स्पेस, वो तब भी आपको खुशी नजर आएगा. We need to understand, we need to learn this from a child to keep yourself happy with whatever resources you have. Number 2, to always be busy with something. बच्चा किसी न किसी चीज़ के साथ खेलता ही रहता है, वो मसरूफ़ ही रहता है. अगर उसके पास कोई नहीं है तो वो अपने आप से खेलना शुरू कर देगा. कभी एक बच्चे को गौर से देखें तो सही. And that's where we learn the second lesson from a child, to be busy with your work. Whatever you're doing, be busy with your life purpose, be busy with your work, be busy with your business, be busy with your studies. So whatever you have at hand, keep yourself busy all the time. And number 3, to know how to demand things he desires with full might, full strength. अब देखेंगे बच्चा अब कुछ और तो कर नहीं सकता. What a child does is he weeps. अब उसको दूध चाहिए या उसको खाने के लिए कुछ चाहिए तो वो रोता है, और वो पूरी शिद्दत के साथ रोता है. हम हैरान होते हैं कि इतना सा बच्चा इतनी ऊंची आवाज में कैसे रो रहा है. But he knows how to do things with full might so that nobody can ignore him, and we really don't ignore him. Obviously, when a child is weeping with full might, everybody runs to him. Whatever he needs, we give him, right? So this is the last lesson we can learn from a child. Whenever you're doing something, you should know how to do it with the full strength and energy and motivation. These were the 3 simple things we can learn from a child. And by the way, this is not what I'm saying. This is Paulo Coelho said, the great Brazilian novelist, the author of The Alchemist. Learn it. That's it for today. See you next time.